Find the Maclaurins series of log of 1 plus sine x up to x cubed. So let's have a look at this then. So the f of x then is equal to ln of 1 plus sine x. It's the function of a function. So let's differentiate f dashed. Log of something goes to 1 over something. So we can write that as 1 plus sine x to the power minus 1 multiplied by the something differentiated, which is cos x. F double dashed. So we've got a product here, so it's u div dx, cos goes to minus sine, plus v times du dx, and this is a function of a function, so the minus 1 comes down to the minus 2, multiplied by a cosine x, isn't it? Because sine, there's something inside differentiates to cos. So there's f double dashed. Okay. So instead of cos times cos, we can write cos squared, can't we? So I'll put a cos squared here and get rid of the cos on the other side. And then instead of the minus 1, we can put that as a minus here, can't we? Okay, so f3, which is what we need to differentiate to. So we've got a product here, u div v. So it's u, 1 plus sine x to the minus 1, times div v. Sine goes to cosine with a minus, plus v, which is minus sine x, times du dx. And I'm just going to write u dash because sine naught is naught here for this term here. Minus, and then this product here now. So I'm looking at this product and differentiating this. So it's plus u, which is minus cosine squared, x, div dx. So we got minus 2 of the something to the minus 3 times another the cosine, so that will be, because the something differentiates to cos, so we've got a cos cubed. So that was u div dx plus v, which is 1 plus sine x to the minus 2 times du dx, and the cos squared minus 2 cosine x, and cos differentiates to minus sine, doesn't it? So that's plus, and that's sine x. Okay, so there's f3. So f of naught then is log of 1 plus sine naught, which is log of 1, which is naught. F dash naught. So let's have a look at this now. So f dash naught is equal to sine naught is naught, 1 to a power is 1, cos naught is 1. So that's 1. F double dash naught. What have we got here then? This is 0, this first product, because sine naught is naught. And this is a 1 to a power, so that's 1, and cos naught is 1, so that's minus 1. Minus 1. And then we want f3, don't we? So I'll put it up here. f3 of 0 equals, what have we got? Cos naught is 1 with a minus, so that's minus 1 there. This will be 0, because there's a sine term involved in the product. Then we've got minus 2, cos naught is 1, so that's minus 2 here, because that, but we've got a minus times a minus, so that's a plus 2, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, and we got 1 to a power, so that's plus 2. And then we've got this, which is 1 to a power, which is 1, times naught, so that's naught. So we end up with 1 then, don't we? So I'm just going to write plus 1 here, because it's 2 minus 1. So we get 1. So we can write down the answer now then. So, according to Maclaurins series, log of 1 plus sine x will equal f of 0, which is naught, so we don't need to write it. F dash naught is 1 lot of x. F double dashed is minus x squared over 2. And then f3, f3 is 1, so it's plus 1 x cubed over 6, isn't it? Plus x cubed over 6 minus dot dot.